Elite meaning top of the top. Kokonte. Let me tell you, you're part of the elite. Bakit? The elite is usually the top 10-15%. In the Philippines, only about 60-65% graduate high school. Only 23% enter college, and only 15 to 18% graduate college. So just by graduating any college in the Philippines, you're already part of the top 18%. Eh, wag naman sabihin na wala sa top 10 ng Lyceum sa buong Pilipinas. So nasa top 18 na, nasa top 10 pa. So you are part of the academic elite. Among the people your age and among the people if you're batch, no, meron na kayong head start. Unfortunately, maraming challenges pa rin sa ating bansa. There are still many challenges despite being part of the elite. So you have a vision, your parents, they have a plan. So the first part of the plan is over. You have graduated. Now the choice is in your hands. Of course, you made good choices. Kung nag-drugs kayo or whatever, hindi kayo nag-graduate today. The mere fact that you're here today means somehow, some way, nasa tamang lang kayo, you did the right choices. No? So what steps of faith, what action and next choices will you take to fulfill the vision that your parents have for you and that you have for yourself? Simplify mo natin. Meron pa dito graduate na 4 years yung crush yung schoolmate nyo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo man lang natetext. And last chance mo today. Ang susunod mo, 10th year anniversary nyo na. After that, 25th anniversary, may anak o baka may anak na yun by that time. So, kung may vision ka, eto magiging asawa ko, babats. May plano ka, pero you haven't taken a step of faith. Kunin mo na yung cellphone ngayon. Pag-congratulate mo mamaya. O yayain mo mag-Jollibee, mag-celebrate para sabihin may taste ka. Diba? The point is, without action, your plan and your vision, your faith is dead. Let me give you a quick example, no? Doon sa mga nagtaas ng kamay kanina na mahirap kumuha ng trabaho. This is a true story. Nakwento ko dito sa Lyceum sa Batangas, no? This guy wanted to be a mechanical engineer. Wala siyang pera. He didn't give up. TESDA accredited school, nag-short course siya ng pagme-mekaniko. Kulang pa rin, nag-aral pa rin siya wherever he could study, magiging mekaniko. When he thought that he was good enough, he went all around Metro Manila, walang trabaho.